let's get into this bang with Subella hair.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
Hey girlfriend, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor and I am back, okay? I've been kind of trying to get my hands on one of these units and I finally have. We're coming through with the unit from Subella Hair. Subella Hair, I'm super excited because to know me is to know. I love a bang wig. Love. Okay, so this is a body wave 8x5 bang wig. I really want you guys to get into how they sent it to me like this, okay? So they sent it to me like this. I'm like actually nervous about it. This is a curtain bang glueless HD lace front wig or lace closure wig. I again have this in an 8x5. It's supposed to give you chic retro vibes. She is 24 inches. At 24 inches, this unit is going for around the $235 mark. But of course, discounts, everything like that in the description box below. We can get you something off. So let's get into the cap construction. This is a glueless wig. She has no combs, okay? Just an adjustable band to make sure that your unit lays flat on your head. Like no combs. I can't even believe it. Or no straps in the back, okay? This is on a dome cap. She is 180% density. Mother is thick. She's thick. I'm gonna just throw her in my head and let's really get into this. All right, my loves, let's get into this curtain bang glueless wig with the chic retro body wave vibes, okay? This is from Subella Hair. She came equipped with the Velcro rollers, which I absolutely love because it really gave for like, an experience, okay? I love how the bangs were curled. I really did. I kind of wish that the unit had combs because this would have really made for an even better glueless wig. But we're gonna go on through and get this unit together now. I love the texture of this hair. You cannot deny that this hair is absolutely beautiful. I'm going through and I'm darkening up the lace. She could have been plucked a little bit more, but the truth of the matter is that this is supposed to be a glueless bang wig and we're going to treat her as such, okay? So I'm just going on through, darkening her up to my particular complexion so we can get this baby together. Now, I have this unit, this curtain bang wig by Subella Hair. I have this unit in 24 inches. She's an 8x5 pre-cut lace wig and she's 180% density, okay? With those stats, this unit is going for just under $240 on Subella.com. Okay, excuse me, SubellaHair.com. I am really a fan of this hair. The texture of this hair is phenomenal. It's some of the best I've actually felt in a very long time. I do, however, believe that this unit, because it is so big head friendly, needs another way to kind of secure her other than the adjustable band. It's just not enough. And it needs either combs or a latex band in the back and one comb, but it needs a little bit more reassurance. So I'm going to go on in and really just get this unit together. So I'm using my T3 barrel curlers as well as the Big Sexy hairspray to really get this unit together. And I feel like she is really coming through. And that's primarily because, again, the texture of this hair is really what makes this wig. It really is. Now, I'm going through and I want to define this curl. Now, what I was finding a bit of an issue with is that where the Velcro curlers were the only place that the hair was layered, which in theory works, right? But in truth, if you want a like truly layered unit, it should be layered throughout. So because the bang is a bit long for me in the face and I really wanted to give like a sexy bang in the front, like a good bang, I'm going to go on through and chop her up a bit. Okay, so I'm not taking the full bang, just really what is a portion of what was curled in the Velcro curlers. And I'm just using my round brush to define the bang. And baby, that's it and that's all. Like, mother is done. I curled this up and she's given what I want her to give. I was a little bit nervous, but really she did come through. The only thing that I am not crazy about is look how much movement this wig is given, and that's primarily because there are no combs or no other way to secure this unit, which is not the vibe. So I'm going to shut my mammy tap mouth. I'm going to give you all final thoughts on the other side. Okay, I'm doing a little bit more chopping because I want a real chic retro vibe. And I'll see you guys on the other side. I'm back. I'm giving 90s lover girl realness. I really am into it. I think this unit all in all is probably about like a 7 out of 10. I think that there's definitely room for improvement. We could work on the cap construction. This unit definitely needs combs. I love the bang situation. I like that it came with the Velcro rollers. Thought that was really cool. But I think for a unit that's $200, I think that I expected a bit more. I was a little bit like, oh, okay. Like literally like that. But she giving. Because one thing I got is I'm a kitchen beautician, so the hands don't lie. I'm going to get it together even when I'm not sure it's going to come together. And she did. I think she's cute. I think she's feminine. I really do love the hair. I love the texture of this hair. I love the lace. This unit looks super natural. I just don't like that it doesn't have combs. I don't like that it didn't come pre-curled. I think if you're going to give us something like a Velcro roller, curl the wig. Curl the wig. I had to do all this work and it kind of took away what I thought was like the ease of the unit. Like it's not an easy unit. It's not what I feel is beginner friendly. And that's just my truth. So I don't have anything else to say. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.